back to make a video. It's been a while again, but I'm making a short video. I'm trying to show you this real quick. So my SGTS says that I'm getting about 20 something, 23. I'm going 50 cruise control, and we are going to go get my thermostats done because for a while I've been having the P028 or something like that code come up for bad thermostats or stuff like that. So I'm going to see Jake at Diesel Mafia, and he's going to replace it. And along with that, we are going to do an HSP coolant pipe. So I'm excited. He did a lot. He pulled a couple strings for me. I really wanted to get it done, and I think he said he's sick. So and he's still wanting to do it. So he's doing me a big favor. So I'm excited, but in a minute, I'm gonna do another video where the light comes on and I'm gonna go 50 miles per hour and I'll show you exactly what it does. Okay, so it hasn't done it. I'm thinking it's probably because it's a little colder and it's not actually kind of getting up to temp for some reason. But literally it always stays like around, my CTS says 150 to 180. It never goes above 180 at all. So usually good running temp for a diesel, you're like between 190 and 210. It never ever gets there, and it causes that code to come on. And as soon as that happens, my mileage goes down a ton. So like I'll be on the freeway and all of a sudden I'll be getting 20 miles per gallon, and the next thing I look at the check engine light comes on and the code pops up, everything's going off. It jumps down like maybe 13 or 14 on my Edge CTS, and I know it's not accurate, it's not exactly what I'm getting, but it just to show you how bad of it affects your mileage. But we're almost there. Yeah, pretty excited, so let's get it going. Awesome. Like I said in the last video, my coolant is awesome. My thermostats are working. Actually, I don't get a code anymore. It feels a lot better for some reason. Like just the motor, I don't know. Once you get to the truck, you obviously know how it feels weird, what feels good and what doesn't. But so I always had a question on this, like on the oil neck, whatever, the filler neck. I always wondered how you get this, because in the stock one there's this huge bar that sticks out right here. But yeah, so what happens is, and Jake told me, you get with the kit is an LB7 oil fill neck, and so that goes there. But there's also a bracket you get here that holds to the fan shroud thing, but it hooks up somewhere right here, right there to here, and it holds it in like actually pulls it more towards this, and so we just didn't do it because I didn't want it near, but it helps move. I don't know about when I'm moving. Obviously you can't see inside the hood when you're moving, but I'm fine without it. This is not going anywhere. This moves a little bit, but that's it, and it's not going to hit that. It's not going to hit it. So you'd obviously see a mark right now because I was going the freeway. But hold on. Okay, so back. Yeah, but other than that, I mean, it's literally just the base, and it turns obviously the neck around so it's facing this way. Makes it so there's so much more room, like tons of room. It's a mess. It's dirty, obviously. But there's no longer this huge annoying pipe, especially to get to this stuff if you need to change anything. This was always a pain in order for me to do something with this. The pipe, I had to take my pipe off, and it was a huge mess. So then you get the actual output right here, the coolant output right there, because there's a huge thing on the other side. you know, it goes from, I don't know, hold on, let me go grab it. Okay, so yeah, that's where that goes, and it goes in, it went in here basically, and then that had nowhere else to go out of, so that's what that one goes into. That little hose goes back in here. Sorry, let me get up there. Goes into there, because that's the pipe right there. Right here. It goes in there. So now, yeah, look at that. Compare that gross, black, nasty stock pipe to that. Sweet. And here's all the junk that you get out of your truck finally. Gross hose. And then your old thermostat. Mine was kind of crappy, getting bad. So, but here's the, where's it at? Here's the part that connects to the stock oil tube, but it goes right here. So you can see how it would have been in the way, especially right here. But yeah, so you get the LB7 oil neck, fill neck, and I was always just wondering about that, like what the heck happened. But anyways, you might as well, if you're gonna do this, you might as well change out your thermostats and everything and make it all brand new. So when you put it back together, you don't have to worry about it. But man, I was well overdue for that. So I'm got one more thing to do. It's right there, and then I should be done with the inside of this for now. But like and subscribe, share, do whatever, hit the bell in the corner, and I'm gonna make some more videos. Got one thing planned before winter. I need to do onto the outside truck before it gets winter. And yeah, thanks for watching.